Go.
Schulte Fracker Peen was absent when they called the roll that fine October day next year. He always said, people come from miles away just to herd me when I had said. Schulte was hunkered down under a dining table at Tholly Dixwell's home furnishing, eating what was left of a wine-back chair he was dining on. He was ill because he had found out that he was grossly overdrawn at the Poot Bank. Just then a bad pain hit his gut, and we had to tighten up the hash house doors. Alert! We now are going live to the back west corner of Tholly Dixwell's and bring you this live feed. Schulte, what's wrong? Oh no, I'm digging in my hash house again. I'm out of control. Help me. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Gee, help. I can't hold it. And I'm going to bark, spew, spew, spew. Oh my gosh, dude, I was digging in it. Son of a catfish, I'm getting lightheaded. I don't know whether to faint or blow paint, squawk, brock, brock. Somebody call the nasty gall and have them shoot me. Oh, ouch, it's burning like a blowtorch. Brock, 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 I can't quit digging. Now my nose is bleeding. Somebody take a shotgun and shoot me in the satchel. Brocky, gosh, I may be dead at least by last week at this rate. It stings. I said it stings. I meant sting. Quap, quap, goppity, goppity, goppity. Oh. Please take me out of this. I'm still digging in my hash house. Will everyone stand and sing the first, second, and fourth stanza of a little bitty tear let me down? I'll be much better back in June of last year. Can you